Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to underline the text in Word. Like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. There are two ways to make underlined text. In the first case, when deleting text, only the text is deleted and the underline remains in place and the rest of the text doesn't shift it. And the second way is to simply select the needed part of the text and click the underline button. Only now, with the deletion of the text, the entire text is completely shifted. Everything is clear with the second way, so let's look at the first way. We enter some text. After the text enters space, now we need to place the tab marks. We're interested in the left tab, which we can select here. If your tab marks differs from mine, then you can select the one you need by pressing the left mouse button several times. Great, back to the text. The underline will start from the position where the vertical bar is now, and we will use the marks to set a place for the text. The first mark is the beginning of the text, and the second mark is the end of the text. Now press the underline button and then press the tab button twice. The underline appears, turn off the underline button and continue the text. We have a sentence with an underline in which we can enter text without disturbing the structure of the text. This method is very useful for creating forms. The details will be entered without breaking the line, either from the top or from the bottom, and the underline is strictly on the same level. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.